The Fluke FEV100 EVSE test adapter simulates the presence of an electrical vehicle to enable you to test the function and safety of an AC Level 2 charging station. The test cable is the interface for cables of stations that have a Type 1 plug. First, perform a pre-test grounding safety check to ensure the charging station is correctly wired and safe, and that the protective earth is functioning properly. No LED illumination means everything is working correctly. The control pilot switch allows simulations of various charging states. For output voltage, turn the switch to charging mode, position C. Connect an 87.5 multimeter to the L1 and L2N terminals to measure output voltage. The L-phase red LED will illuminate. You should see approximately 240 volts on the multimeter screen. This is the corresponding voltage energizing the station, the sum of the voltages from each phase. Simulate errors like an interruption of the protective earth system using the PE error button. The voltage supply is cut off and then restored. You will see this indicated by a colored light on most charging stations. Test the station's GFCI system with the GFCI testing function. Once the green ready indicator is lit and the station is in state C, press the GFCI test button. The charging station will display an error and will terminate the voltage transmission. This will verify that the GFCI is operating properly for protection against electric shock. Simulate a CP error by pressing the CP button. Check if the charging station cuts off the output voltage. For advanced testing, use a scope meter. Connect it to the CP signal output terminals of the charging adapter. Turn the switch to position B. This simulates connecting an electrical vehicle. The connector is now locked. A pulse width modulation signal appears on the scope meter. Check the charging modes and duty cycle. Then, return the CP switch to C. The signal can now be visualized at its frequency. The charging station manual should provide voltage levels and frequencies of the different control pilot states. The Fluke FEV100 EVSE adapter lets you test the functionality and safety of electrical vehicle charging stations easily and reliably. Learn more about your complete EV testing solutions at fluke.com.